This is actually the best hair tool I've used all year. Let's talk about it. So this thing will give you heatless curls. Believe it or not, let me show you how I like to do it. Going in with Color Wow's Dream Coat, and what this does is like a humidity spray. It just helps with the humidity and it helps your hair not frizz up. So now that my hair is a little bit damp, I'm gonna go in with Moroccan oil. Love Moroccan oil. This is their smoothing, what is it called? Smoothing lotion, yep. I just go in with 3 pumps. I've got 24-inch hair, so I just go on the ends, work my way up, just like that. Very simple, nothing else. Then I'm gonna apply a light hold of hairspray. Just a light hold. Use whatever you got, seriously, you don't have to use these products. Use what works for your hair. Make sure to brush your hair out so there's no tangles and that the product is coated evenly throughout your hair. Now all you gotta do is plop that right on top of your head top and then clamp it on. Now take a section of your hair and wrap it around and pull it back forward. Then with that little piece, you're gonna do the same exact thing. Take a chunk of hair, wrap it back, bring it forward, and you're gonna repeat until your hair looks like this and a little tail at the end. I'm just gonna wrap one more time and then I'm gonna leave that tail out. I'm gonna grab a hair tie and we are going to just secure that in. But now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna push all of this up. This is gonna make that hair curl a lot tighter. See? Now we're just gonna repeat it. Now it looks like this. What we're gonna do is we're gonna pull up a little higher. There we go. I'm gonna go to bed and I'll show you what it looks like tomorrow morning. We're gonna shake it out together. It's gonna be amazing. But before that, I'm just gonna add another layer, another 2 layers of hairspray. Okay, see you in the morning. I'm awake. It's officially been 12 hours and what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this off. You just shake it off and just like that, we've got those little curls. But wait, I'm gonna just add some more spray and then pump it up a little bit. Now all you gotta do is brush your hair out. And just like that, you've got amazing curls that'll last you all day.